Hi everybody, welcome to my YouTube. I'm Jen. Today I'm going to create the most adorable little journal page using items that I purchased from Lemon Creations. I will link the website below. Asha Marquette is the creator of Lemon Creations, and she opened up this amazing store that you can purchase products and digitals. So these papers are from her, and then in a little bit you'll see some of the digitals that I also purchased from her because I wanted her Christmas items, and of course with shipping it would take a while, so I went ahead and ordered the digital versions. She does have print versions available. So first thing I did was I added these gorgeous papers using some matte medium just to get it glued down, and then I'm also adding gesso, excuse me, on top. I'm using a mixture of white and clear gesso just to make it more so you can see it, but not, I mean, a little less opaque basically, or more translucent. So once that dried, I am adding some, sorry I'm off camera just a little bit here, but I am adding some texture paste through a snowflake stencil, just picking out a couple of the snowflakes that I want. The texture paste I use is actually made by me. It is a mixture of baby powder, white paint, and some kind of a glue, so you can use Elmer's glue or Mod Podge or anything like that. Any type of PVE glue will work. So now I'm adding some color. This is my favorite part. I am using Lindy's sprays and magicals. So the first thing I used was the Buccaneer Bay Blue, but it gave it kind of a little green effect, which I actually really liked. But now I'm going to add a very bright blue, and this is Hydrangea Blue. This is from the Magicals. It's a powder pigment that you just add water to, and I'm going to use it more like a paint. So there's that, and get that on here. I really like the blue color, but I also wanted to keep a little bit of the antique-y version, which you'll see that I do wipe this off just a little bit, just to keep showing a little bit of that papers in the background. But also I want this to look vintage, vintage with blue. So I do end up layering the colors. So now I want to add a little bit more. So I'm going to add this color called Long John Silvers, just to give it a little more silver on the end. Looks a little different than the package, just because this is like an antique-y version, vintage background instead of just a plain white. So you'll see that, but I do love the way that this turned out and the way that I'm mixing these three colors together, just to give it to that vintagey but with a touch of blue look. I'm going to take a little bit of gesso because I want these snowflakes to pop a little bit more, and of course when I was adding the magicals, they are definitely magic, and they do paint on top of this texture paste because, like I said, it's just baby powder and paint and glue. So I just wanted to bring this out a little bit more, so I'm going to add some gesso. time for some gesso white splashes. The gesso blended in a little bit more to the magicals than I wanted, so I have this P.H. Martin, I believe, or Dr. P.H. Martin's bleed proof white that I'm actually going to splash on that, and then I will highlight the snowflakes with that, just because the blue won't bleed through that. And now it's time for some stamping. This is one of my favorite stamps, also by Asha Marquette. This one is branded under Indigo Blue, but she is available on her website as well. I absolutely love these digital words that I printed out. They are Merry Christmas words, and they are so funny. This one says, "Dear Santa, I can explain." And the last touch is they need a little pink nose. So I'm using my Karen Brush Marker Pros in the color Lipstick Red. I do mix it with just a touch of white gesso just to make it blend a little bit better and not be so lipstick red. I wanted it to be a little bit pink just to show that they are out in the cold. Thank you for watching, and let me know what you think in the comment boxes below. Also check out Asha's amazing website. I will link it below. She's got these and so much more. Happy holidays!